overall, I had a great time in San Francisco. We are now driving through Highway 1. But before we headed out, we grabbed some food at Trader Joe's because that's one of the ways that we like to save money while we travel. If we really like something, then we can just spend a little more, but it has to be something that is worth it.
Let's go to our room. We're staying in room 320 in the Bluff Suites. This is nice. I have a kitchenette here, fridge, teapot. This is our bathroom. Oh my gosh, it's so big. It's got a shower and a tub. Toilet, really nice vanity. Look at the disease. Oh no, they don't. I thought I saw the logo. Our own bathrobes with the logo. A barn door for the bathroom. Oh, it's big here. It's a king size bed. We have our own fireplace. It's got the temperature outside, 71. That's perfect. Got our own deck. Oh my gosh. With our outdoor tub. We're overlooking the golf course and the vineyards. We'll be spending a lot of time here in this resort. I found this next to our bed. It's a pillow spray. Lavender garden scent. And there's actually lavender gardens here on property. So maybe they make it here on property. Doesn't say, but we'll find out.
So now that we showed you our room, I want to highlight how we're able to stay at some of these hotels. Well, we have collected points, and this is a Hyatt redemption for 25,000 points. This is normally a pretty expensive hotel, so we're able to do it with our points.
So this property is 500 plus acres. It has a golf course, swimming pool, fitness center, and they even make their own goat cheese and honey here. So we'll show you some of that as we go about our stay. Tomorrow we'll be doing a hike and maybe even get to see some of the livestock here on the property. Ready for some s'mores? We're gonna cook them by the fire pit, or not cook, roast, as soon as I open this. Chocolate, graham crackers, and marshmallows. And I didn't get a stick. Should we go back for a stick?
Yeah, we can meet that.
I found my roasting stick. It's right here. Alright, first try for today. Tastes better. I want the chocolate to melt, but it doesn't melt.
Okay, we're gonna try the s'mores again. One of our favorite things to do. Perfect marshmallow melt. Nice and golden. This is good.
This is their vineyard, and they have 4 acres of organically grown Pinot Noir grapes. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Black wine grapes. So right now you can see they're a little bit green, barely growing. This is the cycle of the vine. So right now we're in mid to late summer. Should be in season. These are their lavender fields. Not fields, but They're lavender gardens. They attract these giant bumblebees. It smells so good here, like the toiletries that they use for the rooms. I can't even speak anymore.
Okay, everyone, so we've had a great day so far. We enjoyed the s'mores. We're just walking around the vineyards, enjoying the sunset, and tomorrow
we're gonna go on a hike and get to meet all the livestock that they have here on property and enjoy more of the Carmel Valley Ranch.
For now, we're just going to enjoy the sunset and relax. Good morning. Today we are at the garden ingredient meet. It's one of the first activities that we're gonna do, or the first activity. And we'll show you more as we progress, because there's other activities we want to do, and of course want to go around this beautiful property. Here's Andrea.
What's up?
How are you?
Good. Tired. I'm walking up the hill. This is a apiary. I'm not sure if that's the right word. This is where they do an activity for guests, and guests can sign up and learn about beekeeping and put on a suit, and then they get to interact with the bees, and afterwards they'll do a honey tasting.
One of the things that we really like about this place is that they're using a lot of the things, or actually all of the things that they produce. So we were just, as you can see in the back, with the goats, and they use the goat milk. Those are goats specifically for milking, and they use the milk to create the cheese, which they then use in some of their plates. They also have right here the honey, which they also use with the goat cheese, and several other things.
In the garden up, they have about an acre of a garden, and they use that in their recipes as well at the restaurant.
You can see they also have this orchard, and you can see the little tiny fruit. I'm assuming it's apple. They have a ton of stuff here. It's really beautiful. Hopefully one day we will be able to have our own farm/ranch with animals and whatnot. Yeah, so overall we're really enjoying this. It's not really like a planned activity. You can just roam around. There's some workers here that will give you more information on whatever they're doing. Yeah, so in a bit we're going to go with the livestock. So we'll show you once we get there. We are now going to the Corral, or as I like to say, the Corral. Essentially how you say the stables in Spanish. It's at the hilltop, so it's quite a hike. It's not much of a distance, but it is difficult because it's pretty steep. They have sheep, goats, Scottish Highland cows. They also have some bunnies, horses, different type of things. It's a pretty nice area. It's good for the kids and just for animal lovers in general.
I want to brush a cow.
Yeah, she wants to brush a cow. We're here at the barn with the livestock, the horses, cows, goats. And I was telling Andrea that growing up, a family member had livestock. So I grew up seeing all the animals, and oddly enough, the smell of the manure and just wherever their house is a very familiar smell for me. That especially when I was a kid growing up, it reminded me of going with the animals. So I actually like it because it brings back good memories of when I was growing up, when to see the animals. Andrea, on the other hand, though, what do you think of the smell?
I don't like the smell.
Obviously, it's not for everyone, and it's pretty strong, but it brings me back to when I was a kid.
My favorite out of all the animals that they have here are these cows. I just like how furry they look, and they're short. I got to shave one of them with the comb.
Comb them.
Oh, I got to comb them, not shave. That wouldn't be good.
Hi everyone, we're finishing day 2. After the hilltop visit with the livestock, we just went back to the room, relaxed a bit. We got to use the outdoor tub. I went to the gym, and then Andrea took a little nap. After that, we just came to do some s'mores again, because why not? They're free, and we've been enjoying the s'mores, again with the beautiful view and just amazing weather. What'd you think of the s'mores and everything else?
I like the view. I think it's a nice activity that they do here at the resort, where all the families get to join and cook their s'mores.
Yeah, so tomorrow we'll be leaving, not too early, but sometime in the morning, and we're going to our next destination, which is not too far from here, but it should be a good spot. We're excited for it, and we'll catch you tomorrow.